most important thing manufacturers can do in 2026 is to embed AI into the heart of their operational processes, not just pilots, but scaled deployments. Companies that broaden adoption beyond back office functions into core workflows will see compounding benefits: faster cycle times, lower costs, and higher customer satisfaction. The risk is not that AI overpromises, but that companies underadopt. In my view, 2026 will be a year where leaders separate themselves by moving from experimentation to scale.
So what is the most important thing manufacturers can do to ensure success in 2026? Build a more resilient supply chain with flexible production capacity that can scale up or down as needed, and improve supplier visibility, and diversify your networks. Supply chain resilience is absolutely paramount. Having the operational agility to rapidly respond to shifting demand patterns and customer needs, closely manage your cash flow to be able to shift and invest as opportunities present themselves. Know your parts that are critical to your design function. Invest in strategic supply chains there, or strategic inventories where absolutely necessary, but don't let that be your only strategy. Have multiple suppliers in the wings. Have alternative components pre-selected to support the demand. Invest in inventory only as a last resort to protect your most critical components, but don't tie up so much cash that you can't be nimble and adjust to changing demands in the market.
The number one thing manufacturers can do to ensure success in 2026 is streamline workflows. This reduces delays, it helps deliver high quality products to customers faster, and that's what we know they want. Increasing operational agility is one of the top strategic priorities for our executives, so this is already top of mind in the industry. But one key way to approach this is AI. 80% of our executives reported AI as an opportunity, and over 50% said they're implementing AI specifically in supply chain management and operations. So there's clear opportunities in leveraging technology, leveraging process improvement, and leveraging AI to streamline workflows.
The most important thing for manufacturers to ensure success in 2026 will be modernizing their procurement process. As we talked a bit about supplier chain diversification, today the sourcing process is extremely manual and fragmented. How we can move from that current state to a more AI-driven platforms and digital marketplaces to streamline supplier onboarding, selection, and performance monitoring, that will be key. It will also help diversify supply chains with expanded supply networks to reduce dependency on any single region while leveraging modern tools to manage risk, compliance, and quality. To summarize, modernized procurement and digital supply chain diversification will define or redefine manufacturing success in 2026 with so much of volatility going around.